Hi, folks. Welcome to the third episode of Conversations with Mithas Services. I am Devanshi Sharma, and you're watching Mithas Services official YouTube channel. In today's episode, I'm just going to talk about a very interesting insight from this book, How to Write Your First Book. This book is launched by Mithas and it is written by authors who have published with us. This book contains 10 stories of authors who have debuted in writing. It contains insights from 7-year-old authors and also experienced and seasoned writers. In this book, there's one story of the writer Oeshi Sonika. Oeshi has published The Kids' Spooky Adventure with Mithas Services. In this part, she talks about what was the journey like and then speaks of the takeaways from her writing journey. I'm going to read the 3 tips for all aspiring writers out there. Oeshi says, know the why. One should know the why, and answers to how, when, and where is already taken care of. The second tip she gives you is be decisive. If you want to do it. Just go for it. Make a bold decision and follow the way. Of course, writers are bold, aren't they? And the third tip that this little author gives you is listen to your heart. Take inspiration from others, but do it your unique way. Oeshi is 10 years old and she has written some amazing stories out there. Isn't it true that the biggest things lie in the simplest of them all? This is what these takeaways surely prove to us. Also, if you would like to check out this book, the link is in the description. You can check it out. The structure of the book is such that it will have a writer's journey, it will have the takeaways from their journey, and some interesting writing tips for all those aspiring writers who want to write their first book. Go grab a copy of How to Write Your First Book from Amazon or Flipkart. Also, if you felt that you liked this video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, press the like button and support us in any way that you can. Spread the word across. That's the biggest support. See you in the next episode tomorrow.